Dear Bishop, dear Monsignor, Fathers, ladies and gentlemen, a warm good morning to all of you. We have gathered here for the inauguration of the Enterprise Resource Planning ERP, and I wish you a pleasant day and a pleasant time here.
Where there seems to be no way, He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide, hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way.
Management of so many institutions is a very tough job. There are lots of demands from students, parents, teachers, educational department, and even from the public. Our schools were depending on some external agents who gave facilities of connecting parents and students, students and teachers, sending SMS and such other activities, and charged big amount of fees. We too found it difficult to reach to individual schools when we needed documents or information from the schools. We are now happy to announce that we have developed our own ERP, a new CBE app. Each institution will upload all the details of the teachers, students, parents, fee collection, salary paid, payment of EPF, ESI, gratuity, day-to-day financial transactions, timetable, attendance, exam, marks, and such other particulars. Each school will have its own password. Each school will view and upload the details of that particular school. But CBE will have an access to all particulars of all institutions. There are many more things which are to be explained, which Mr. Sashidhar will do the job a little later. At this wonderful occasion, I am proud to welcome you all. Let me first of all welcome our Bishop, the President of the Catholic Board of Education, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana. Today is an auspicious day. Our Bishop is celebrating the second anniversary of his Episcopal ordination. On behalf of all of us present here, I wish him a very happy anniversary. May the Good Shepherd, Jesus Christ, bless him always in his ministry. I cordially invite you, our beloved Bishop, for this short program. On behalf of all of us, I request Monsignor Maxim Noronha to offer him a bouquet of flowers as a token of our love. Monsignor Maxim Noronha, the Vicar General and the Vice President of the Catholic Board of Education, Father Vijay Victor Lobo, the Procurator, all governing board members, our commission members, correspondents, heads of the institutions, Director of the Pastoral Institute, Father Peter D'Souza, and all the fathers and all our beloved guests. A warm welcome to all of you. Let me also welcome and thank at the same time Mr. Raymond Reynal Cardoza, who is main, Mr. Shashidhar Acharya, who is admin, Mr. Praveen, web developer, Sachit, Android developer. They have helped me and are helping me to develop this ERP. I welcome them to this short program. Let me also welcome our office staff, Mrs. Greta, Mrs. Nirmala, and Mr. Vijay Lobo, who always work with me and help me to keep the office up to date. Once again, a hearty welcome to one and all.
Thank you, Father, for your beautiful welcome. Today we are living in the age of information superhighway, they say. It is not only the communication, but the new word is called communication. Not communication, but communication. Today we are living in a world where to be is to be perceived, they say. Because every person wants to be perceived, therefore they want to upload something on the YouTube, something on WhatsApp, so that one could be perceived. Now, CBE also want to be perceived by others and be easily accessible to others. And this accessibility is possible, as Father Anthony has already said, because of the teamwork of so many people. Now, what is CBE ERP will be explained to us by Mr. Shashidhar.
ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದು ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ CBE ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್, CBE ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳಿಗೂ CBEಯಿಂದಲೇ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾನ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, NGO ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದಲೇ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ, ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್, ಫೀಸ್, ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೀವ್, ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್, ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್, library, online store. These all data will come under the school panel. Next, third one, it's the staff. So in this panel, staff data, student data, notification, attendance, leave, learning, timetable, exam, result, transport, library, and school website. Then third one, this is the last one, student. So student data, notification, fees, attendance, leave, learning, timetable, exam, result, hostel, transport, library, website, and online store. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ 4 ವಿಧವಾದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು. ಸೊ here after the management can access all the displayed information of its schools in one fingertip. So thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Mr. Shashidhar, for that beautiful information. And for developing this website. Now is the time of the inauguration of the ERP. Today, as Father Anthony already said, is an auspicious day, our Bishop's second consecration day. So, I request our Bishop to inaugurate this ERP. Now, Bishop will inaugurate the manual of this same ERP. The book will be inaugurated. As the Bishop inaugurates the book, let's put our hands together and appreciate this task. I said today is a special day, and on this special day we have the inauguration. We already had the inauguration of the ERP of the CBE. Now I request Bishop, Right Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana, the President of the CBE of the Diocese of Mangalore, to address us and share his thoughts and blessings with us.
Dear Monsignor Maxime Nerona, the Vicar General and the Vice President of the CB, dear Reverend Father Anthony Shera, the CB Secretary, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, and my dear friends. Education is that which remains after you have forgotten everything. That's what I learnt years ago when I was reading some article. It looked like a very funny thing. Education is that which remains after you have forgotten everything. Looking back into the primary classes in the first standard, second standard, whatever we learnt in terms of content, we have almost forgotten. Perhaps a few phrases or few lines of poetry that are there in our minds. But what has remained is our knowledge of numerals, numbers, our knowledge of letters, words, grammar, our knowledge of saying things by memory, for example, memorizing how to do it, the various strokes with which we write the letters, where originally we were taught by the hand of our teacher holding our hands. But then, above all, we remember the values that enlighten society. A society that is just, a society that believes in give and take. Catholic education, especially the Congregation for the Catholic Education, highlights this issue of imparting quality-based, value-based education. And if you see our schools of the CBE, they are there mostly in the rural areas, remote villages, and where people are unable to access to education in the big cities. Catholic Board of Education has gone to those remote areas to give them knowledge and enlighten them. And the children are now made competent, capable to at least have basic elementary education. It is not the question of making money or amassing a lot of wealth by running schools as it happens in the corporate world, where corporate world is investing a lot of money, choosing the best high scorers, and then again giving the best results and then doing a lot of publicity. Whereas our schools hardly have any publicity. But in the meantime, we also know that so many thousands and thousands have come out of the portals of our schools. At least they remember, after they have forgotten everything, they remember certain things for their life, some enlightenment. But today, with the changing scenario, with the digitalization, with the electronic media that we have at hand, the accessibility of education has become easier, where you could click the button and have a lot of knowledge available. But only thing is, we need the discretion. We need somebody to guide us what is to be read and how to read it, how to critically evaluate. Well, that persons are needed, teachers are needed beside us. And therefore, mere virtual learning is of no use till somebody helps us in a different way, holds our hand and accompanies us. And I believe today with this new technology, as that we are updating our own resources, enterprise resource, this program will help us to connect with our teachers, with our schools. It was a long cherished dream, as Father Anthony said, that we want to connect all our schools and we want to have an easy access and thus know the situation wherever we are, and from there we can know the situation of our institutions. There have been some proposals a few months ago, or rather perhaps more than a year ago, that this should be done so that we know what are our resources and how we can pool our resources together. But somehow it was slowly delayed for some time till today. Ultimately, we are having this particular software as well as the possibility of working.
Thank you, Bishop, for your blessings and also sharing your thoughts, especially on pooling of our resources. I feel that it is not the pooling of just the knowledge that is required, but in the near future, we require pooling of our finances, pooling of our infrastructure, because the NEP is on the way. When it will be implemented and what will happen to our institutions, we have to think seriously. Therefore, unless there is pooling of our resources, I think we will have a tough time. We have come to the end of the program. ಈಗ ಈ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊನೆಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಹೇಳಲು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಎಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಡಿಸೋಜಾ, ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೊಜೇರಿಯೋ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಚೊಕ್ಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಇದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವಚನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂಥ, ಇಂದಿನ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿಷೇಕದ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಆಚರಣೆಯ ಈ ದಿನದಂದೇ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಲು ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದಂಥ ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಬಿಷಪ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪೀಟರ್ ಪೌಲ್ ಸಲ್ಡಾನಾ, ಕಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಸರ್ವರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊಬಗನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು ಆಗಮಿಸಿದಂಥ ಕಥೋಲಿಕ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಕರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆದಂಥ ಮಾನ್ಸಿಂಜರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮ್ ನೊರೋನಾ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಶಾಂತಿ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂಥ ವಂದನೀಯ ಫಾದರ್ ಪೀಟರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳಿಗೂ, ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಂತ್ಯದ ಎಡ್ಯುಕೇಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇದರ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಗವರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಕೆಲವರನ್ನು ಇಂದು ಆಮಂತ್ರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಕೆಲವೇ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಸಂಚಾಲಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಬಾರಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸುವಂಥ ಫಾದರ್ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ಇವರಿಗೂ, ಇದರ ಮೇನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ರೈಮಂಡ್ ಕರ್ಡೋಜಾ, ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಶಶಿಧರ್, ವೆಬ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಸಚಿನ್, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಮಂತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಸಾಕಾರಗೊಳಿಸಿದಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾದಂಥ ಕಥೋಲಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾದಂಥ ವಂದನೆಯ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಂಟನಿ ಸ್ಯಾರಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಚೇರಿಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ವಂದನೆ.